12th of October 2022. It's the 4 p.m. but KS. No, it's open, so it's one locker floor.
Yeah.
But this has 9 floors. What was the address? Puistokatu 11.
Yeah.
Staircase, was it B?
Yes.
Here in Lahti, Finland. Built in 1963 originally, and it's unknown. We don't know what it was before.
Yeah.
Replaced in 2016. The number is 4268578. Maybe also the other stack is open, but we can take a quick ride if it's open.
Yeah.
Because there's a wooden interior. And the capacity is 5 plus grams. But since it was replaced by Kone, maybe it was something rare here.
Yeah.
So if this was MP6, maybe it would still have been original.
Yeah.
Even. But I don't know. Maybe that was in Holden before, maybe.
Yeah. Inspected kaikki vain maintained by Kone.
And there is no dark glow spot in here.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2024. And it's faster.
Yeah.
It's always been faster. Probably.
Yeah.
Shall we end the video here?
Yeah, probably.
Yes, we can go.
Yeah. That's